7 steps to purchasing a home. And we're going to kick it off with step number 1, speaking to a loan officer. And we're going to get started right now. Hi, my name is Rod Ferrier, and I am a licensed loan originator. Do me a favor, if you find this content helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified. Also, help me out by following me on Instagram and visiting my Facebook page and liking me there. Step number 1 is speaking to a licensed loan originator. Think of speaking to a loan originator like planning a trip using the Waze app. You want to make sure that you know where you're going and also be able to avoid common pitfalls along that path to homeownership. A good loan originator is going to sit with you and walk you through the pros and cons of homeownership. When I meet with clients, especially first-time home buyers, I do a rent versus buying analysis. The benefit to a rent versus buy analysis is being able to lay all the financial details out on a piece of paper and weighing the options of renting versus buying. And in my rent versus buy analysis, I break down what you can expect to earn in equity as your home appreciates over the years, the tax savings that you will obtain, as well as what your monthly payment and your mortgage payment compared side by side would look like. And during our consultation, we are going to take a look at how much money that you've saved up for down payment. My objective as a good loan officer is to help you get into your first home with as little to no money down as possible. That way you can have money in the bank for reserves, for repairs that you want to make to your home, or also for a rainy day in case something happens. If you have any questions and you want to have this consultation, make sure to visit my website below.